Did you know you can customize the admin template of your Joomla site? In this video, I'm going to show you how and an example of why. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning into Maintenance Monday number 241 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also build sites, Joomla sites, maintain them, migrate them from Joomla 3 to 4. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. Okay, in the meantime, let's just jump right over to the screen and look at today's topic. All right, so if you were watching a previous Maintenance Monday from a couple of weeks ago, a couple of episodes ago, you'll see I installed this invalidate cache plugin, which basically invalidates the cache of your site so people always see the latest version after you've made changes in their browser. But, you know, it sort of blends in with the other buttons up there. Maybe I want to make it more evident for how to make it red. So that's what we're going to do. Now, if you like to read and not listen to me, then I encourage you to head on over to joomlaforever.com, where Bjorn has some written out instructions for how you can do this. He uses a little bit of different CSS code, but both ways will get you there. Now, here's how I find the code in order to change. I'm going to hit F12, which brings up the Chrome Element Inspector, and I'm going to click on the Select tool here, and I'm going to go and look for the CSS that I want to change. Now, I want to select the whole area there, and when I just check down here, I say, okay, yeah, I've selected it, and I look into the, go here, and I'm going to click plus. Now, that shows me the CSS code that's applying to that area that I have selected. Now what I want to do is this. I'm just going to click down below there and then go background color. So there's background. Let's go down to color. And I'm just going to say red. All right. Now, I'm going to select that code, copy it. I'm going to copy that. And now we're going to add that to the custom CSS of the admin template, which is very similar as if you were adding it to the custom CSS, the process to add it to the custom CSS of Cassiopeia, the front-end template. But what we're going to do instead is we're going to go to System, and instead of doing Site Templates, we're going to select Administrator Templates. We're going to Atom Details and Files. Now, watch out for this trick here. We want to create a new file. It's tempting to click on the CSS folder. This is where the custom file is that we're creating. Should go in the CSS folder, but if you're viewing it and then go new file, it doesn't automatically select that folder. So watch out for that. Here we are though, Media Templates, Administrator, Atom, CSS. So we click that folder. That's the one that we want to make it in. And then we're going to call it user. Just type user in there. And the file type will be CSS. All right, so we have CSS selected. We're making user.css, and we create that file. Excellent. Now we can scroll down to the user.css, although it's open after you create it, and we're just going to paste the custom CSS that we just selected before. Now we'll just go save and close, and there we have it up in the top right. We have a nice red invalidate cache button, easier to find. And that's how you add custom CSS to the admin template of Joomla 4. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.